New at 6, a heads up for the tens of thousands in the Mid-South who owe back child support.
You better not be expecting a tax refund. The IRS is keeping the checks if parents haven't paid up. Here's WREG's Sabrina Hall, who reports many deadbeat parents don't know that, are about to learn that lesson.
If you're like Ray Hayes and owe child support,
$21,000.
but pay it every month faithfully trying to catch up, you may have the same question for the IRS.
Why would you take my whole income tax check?
Hayes says it just doesn't seem right.
I feel like if I'm working the full year and I'm paying your child support on time and I'm paying some on my REG every week, I should at least get some of my income tax.
Unfortunately, one thing is standing in his way.
State law.
Family law attorney Miles Mason says if you owe child support, the state doesn't need your permission to take your tax refund. It's just going to do it. However,
any child support obligor, parent who owes child support, can contest the calculation of the arrearage.
When the state decides you owe child support, it will send you a letter asking if you would like an administrative hearing. Mason says you should say yes. That's because it is your chance to contest how much money you owe.
He didn't have no good reason to set my back pay at $10,000. He was like, okay, so it's been 4 years. Okay, you owe $10,000. And it put me in debt instantly, even when I wasn't working at that point.
At that point, Mason says Hayes should have requested that hearing if he wanted any chance of getting a tax refund in the years to come. Mason says the bottom line is if you are backed up on child support payments, you're not going to get a tax refund until you can somehow reduce the amount you owe to probably less than $1,000. Reporting from downtown, Sabrina Hall, WREG News Channel 3.
If you want to reduce the amount you owe in child support, Mason says you can always ask the state for an administrative review of your file. However, you may also want to seek help from an attorney.